Hey everyone, welcome to a day in life as a software engineer at TikTok. My day is starting a little bit late than usual today. I'm heading into the office right after lunch because last night was a big one for our team. We have a major feature launch, so it's worth a late night of monitoring and make sure everything went smoothly. One thing that makes the commute so much easier is the parking situations. We have 3 different parking lots around the office, so there is never any stress about finding a spot, even when I come in at the off-peak hours like this. It is great to just pull in and know you're on set. Okay, I'm parked and just get my ticket. I'm ready to head in for afternoons of meetings and coding. Let's go with me now. First things on my calendar this afternoon is our weekly team stand-up. Even though we are constantly communicating on Log, our internal platform, there is our dedicated times once a week to formally sync up on our projects, discuss any blockers, and align on our priorities for the upcoming week. This is a great way to get a high-level view of what everyone is working on. Right after that, I'm jumping into a features requirements meetings for our next big project. The meetings is filled with cross-functional teams. We have our project managers outline the visions, our QA engineers thinking about testing strategies, and our designer showcasing the latest mockup. And of course, other RD or engineer like me to discuss technical feasibilities and architecture. We spend this time hashing out all the details, asking questions, and make sure we are all on the same page before a single line of code is written. These collaborative sections are crucial for building great products at the end. During these meetings, my role as an engineer is to listen to product requirements and start thinking about the technical implementations. I'm asking questions like, how will this scale to millions of users? What data model will we need? And are there any dependencies on other teams? This is a dynamic process of negotiations and brainstorming. We are not just taking orders, we are actively shaping the future, providing feedbacks on what technically is possible within our timeline, and ensuring the final design is both modern and user-friendly. Alright, my meetings are done for now. So let me show you around our office. It's a super open space with big window, so it is always nice and bright. This kind of layout is great because it makes it really easy for us to talk and work together as a team. Instead of everyone have a tiny cubicle, our team sit together in group we call pods. We also have a lot of comfy spots where we can have a quick chat, or as you can see, our meeting room have a clear glass wall which keep everything feel friendly and open. One of the best perks of working at TikTok is that companies provide free lunch and dinner, plus snack is available all the time. We just need to sign up for our meals a couple days in advance through an app, and our amazing catering partner deliver everything right to the office. It is about that time, so I'm heading to pick up my dinner. I think it is on this floor. Oh wait, I have come to the wrong floor. My dinner is actually on floor 6 today. It's happened to me sometime. Alright, let's head to the right spot now. As we walk down the main hallway, check out this big signs on the wall. These are our company's value. They are like the important rule and goal that everyone at TikTok tries to follow every day. They say things like inspires creative and rich life, which means we want to help people be creative and make their life more fun. Okay, make it to the right floor. And there's my dinner. I went with the Simon bento box tonight. It looks delicious. The kitchen staff here is seriously the best. They work so hard to make sure we are all filled up for the days and nights, in some cases. Now that I got my food, it is time to find a spot to settle in before my next call. I got my dinner, but I cannot quite eat it yet. I actually have another meeting starting in a few minutes. Since our teams are global, I often have the night meetings to sync up with my teammates in China. It is part of working on a product that connects people all over the world. So right now, I'm just looking for available meeting rooms where I can take the call. Here's a fun fact. All our meeting rooms are named after real parks here at Washington State, like Riverside Park or Mount Shi. It is a cool way to feel connected to our local area. These little screens outside of each room are super helpful. You can see what's booked and what's free at a glance. Look like this one is open. Perfect, I will take the call here, and then I can finally eat my dinner. Alright, my last meeting is finally done. And now for one of my favorite office traditions, extra food. After the main dinner service, any leftover meals are brought out for anyone who might be working late or wants a second meal, or just want to grab some things to take home. As you can see, a few of us are here to see what's available. It is a great way to prevent food waste, and it is a nice little treat at the end of the long day. And that is officially a wrap of my days at TikTok. It was a long one, but super rewarding, especially after the successful launch. Thank you so much for following along. Let me know if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye for now.